Hello kids, let's learn some words starting with letter D which sounds D, 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 D. Come on, repeat with me. D, 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 dog. Dolphin. Duck. Day. Driver. Desk. Dog. Dolphin. Duck. Day, driver, desk, dam, dice, dot, doll, drum. Dinosaur. Dam, dice, dot, doll, drum, dinosaur. Donkey. Deer. Door. Dad. Den. Dragon. Donkey. Deer. Door. Dad. Den. Dragon. Dollar. Dentist. Dance. Drumstick. Desert. Dewdrops. Dollar. Dentist. Dancer. Drumstick. Desert. Dewdrops. Dog. Dolphin. Duck. Day. Driver. Desk. Dam. Drum. Dinosaur. Dice. Dot. Doll. Donkey. Door. Deer. Den. Dragon. Dad. Dollar. Dentist. Dance. Drumstick. Desert. Dewdrops.